Kansas City weather. One day it's nice, and then the next you're bracing for frigid temperatures. Again, you may be noticing that your furnace has worked extra hard lately to heat up the house. So Fox 4 is working for you with 4 things to keep in mind.
If you notice the temperature inside your house isn't keeping up with the one that you set on your thermostat, you might have to call a technician. I spoke with 3 different heating and cooling experts, each offering advice on how to save you money and keep you safe.
When we're down here kind of looking at everything, we're making sure that all the electrical components are working, that there's no loose wires, everything's connected properly.
Tip 1. Twice-a-year inspections can save you money in the long run.
If we do maintenance, usually we can maybe catch something that's failing before it does fail.
Experts add most manufacturer warranties require proof you're keeping up with those regular tune-ups.
So we have a 43-point checklist where we check all the major components of the furnace. And a lot of people don't know that the furnace and the air conditioner work together. So we're also going to inspect that coil and make sure your airflow is good.
Tip 2. Consumers should know to ask about industry standards. A cracked heat exchanger is one red flag that can signal big trouble.
We always go off American Gas Association guidelines.
And that guideline is if you see a crack, what do you do?
Any visible crack or hole discovered in this step is reason for requiring replacement of the heat exchanger or furnace.
Tip 3. Ask to see the damage live using a monitor like this one.
They should take you to the furnace. They should show you these pictures live.
Tip 4. Know your options.
Don't get pigeonholed. There's always multiple options on how to solve any given problem, all the way from the quick repair to maybe an upgrade to a full replacement.
These technicians say the average HVAC system lasts 10 to 15 years. So don't be surprised if you have an older system and they suggest a new one. It may be cheaper in the long run than to do several costly repairs. I'm Bella Caracta, Fox 4 Problem Solvers.